reliable. We believe this will be the top considerations. Reliable products are the foundation of life cycle reliability. It should be designed from modular level, cabinet level, system level. We also need the reliable architecture. For example, in Huawei Cloud Data Center, now we use isolated power back architecture. So the batteries are isolated from the IT building. So any problem, it will not hurt the IT equipment. Intelligent management system. We build data center for AI, but we also can use AI technology for the data center facility. Finally, professional service. We must ensure that there are no potential risks in the deployment phase and ensure reliable operation of data centers.